Alright, boys. Are we still buffering? We back? How's it looking right now? Is it better? Who's all out there? Sexy as always. No way. Nick's just hyping me up like that? Alright, you wanna see what I'm working on, Big Mick? Bro, wait, what? How does it even work? Wait, like the... Hey, Beavis? That's it, I can't. I have this power meter in the bottom right, you see it? It goes up. I'm trying to do the same thing. But I can't find it in my project, because this project's too goddamn big. There's too much shit everywhere. Can't keep track of what's going on. This guy right here. What is this guy called? Fish power meter. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I find this guy. What are you guys grinding tonight? What are you working on? Here it is. Found it. We need to grab that real quick. Go back into our menu missions. Okay, then we're gonna do progress bar container, progress bar layout. Bro, really? Menu missions. This guy right here. Oh, missions step. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I meant to name this progress bar. What about calling JB? Is he gonna answer me, dude? Progress bar. There it is. Okay. Style that height. Okay, so the percent is gonna be I forget what is Is it 1? Does it cap at 1 or 100? I think it caps at 100 actually. Dude. Some bullshit. Really? Oh. Wait, let's go back. Let's do like 0.5. See what happens there. Always forget this, man. Okay, buddy, why are you being so aggressive, huh? Bro. Alright, let's go and check out what the fuck is going on. Let's dig into it, because it's just awful to work with. Oh, there's the sirens. Classic sirens, dude. Classic, dude. What do you know? See, like, the... Oh! Wait. Ah, dude. Align self left? That's what we want. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. Stream is just too fire. Oh my god, dude, you're so fucking funny. Am I still buffering or no? We need the whip, not fucking height, dude. Idiot. Kumar, yo, hey bro, what's up? Are you getting caught? What'd you do? Yeah, dude. Fire department's coming to my house. They just couldn't take the stream, dude. They said put it out. You can use a slider for a progress bar if you aren't using. I'm just using like a bar already here. I'll show it to you. Ooh, it's not a great color though, that's for sure. Where we might have to pick a different color for that. That's not looking very great right now. Okay, it worked. It changed. You just can't really see it because it's dog shit colors. Okay, so what? Oh man, we have so many things to do. We have so many things to do. What do you guys? Okay, can I ask you guys a question? Say that we're doing this quest, right? Let's say it has one step. The only step, we like talk to this dude. We start up the quest, right? We start the quest. And what we have to do is we have to go fish. We go fish. And we get our fish, right? Now we just have to do one more thing, which is finish the quest by talking to this guy. Do you think finishing the quest counts as a quest step? Like I still have one step to go, so like the status bar over here should read 1 out of 2. Or should it read 1 out of 1? Like it's like finished, but I just need to like talk to the guy to finish it. What do you guys think? Does that make sense? The question mark is inverted? No, I did not notice. 1 out of 1, like it's like finished, and then you just have to go talk to him. Because it'll say up here, right? It'll be like, go talk to Wise Old Man to finish the quest. 1 out of 1? Okay. So it's like, oh yeah, you're done. Just go talk to him and be good. Alright, fair enough. Okay. So, right, the big thing is we need to update it now when a quest step is finished. So hold up. So this should be set to 100 is the full, so we have to do current quest step index divided by the length. Okay, so that's our ratio. So if that's 1, then we multiply by 100 and we're good. Okay. Hey bro, how about you join a game jam? Actually, I think I'm going to. I think me and J-Dog, I don't know if you know J-Dog, he's in Twitch. He's on the Twitch chat a lot. We're gonna do a Halloween game jam for a few days. Yeah, so that'll come up. That'll be happening in like a month or so, probably. But yeah, I love doing game jams. They're super fun. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it says 0 out of 1, right? Now let's talk to this guy. Let's go fish our fish. Okay, quest step completed. Now let's click on this again. Oh shit, something didn't work. Line 52. You know, I should do something which is this is really bad coding. Mission container. Alright, mission container. Let's replace all of these. A little more readable. Bro, that is very complicated for a simple bar. It's not, dude. You don't really like, you realize I'm doing all this for all the quest stuff. This is not just the progress bar. This is like, I have a whole quest system and it's feeding back in from all that shit to like update the values and stuff for like what quest I'm on, what quest step I'm on. Like I'm getting all like the quest description. It's taking care of this whole panel. You see how everything changes over here? So it's like a lot of stuff is going on right here. The progress bar, I don't know if you're reading the code, but the progress bar is literally just this line. So it's not that complicated, trust. Let's see here. See, like we got the progress bar is finished. What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get the quest step to update, and then have the progress bar update off of the quest step. So that's kind of the issue right now. So let me make sure these work. Okay, so this works if I go back and forth. Oh, wait. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Yeah, I heard your suggestion. I'm just saying that the way I'm doing it is just as simple as the slider. Okay. So I'm low-key confused. So we should be on the next quest step now. But then I get an error on line 53. Oh, I know what's happening. Okay. It's because the quest step deletes itself. Or there isn't. Oh man, this is weird. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Yikes. It's a bit of a flaw in my quest system right now. It's trying to get the quest step, but there's no quest step that's left because the last thing we need to do is like finish the quest. I need to head out. I'll look forward to playing when you release this, but please make it free. I am poor. I think I've said this before, but if you have it wishlisted, then I'll be giving out free keys, but I can't release it for free, right? Because I'm putting like years of effort into this. I can't just release it for free, so otherwise that's just years off my life for literally $0. So it is gonna cost money, but if you wishlist it, then I'll be giving out keys for free for people who wishlist it. So just make sure to do that on Steam. It's already on there. Yeah, how do we deal with this, man? I kind of feel like the way I have it set up, like I do need to have this be a quest step, like the turning it in part, or the talking to an NPC to finish the quest. I mean, that should be considered a quest step. I just don't know if it's worth showing progress on it. It's kind of weird. Because also what's a little frustrating right now is that ugh. Yes, this sucks. Right now I have a description for every step. And so like what I would want, you know, it says talk to wise old man. Like say this was the last step. It said like talk to wise old man to finish the quest. I'm gonna release it on Steam. So for PC, I'm gonna try to do controller support as well. But I'm gonna start by hopefully releasing it on Steam for keyboard and mouse and controller. So that's my main target. Oh, dude, this is such a pain. I could put in a quest start description and a quest end description as part of like the main quest to solve this problem, I guess. So Mac included? I hope so. We'll see. I plan on, yeah, having it work for Mac. But we'll see. There might be some problems porting it to Mac. I haven't really tried it yet. Bro, this is so rough. If I have just a quest description for the start and the end, then that takes care of that part. The quest steps will show as done. And then what I could do is here, instead of doing this, I could just say like, if this value does not exceed this, then it does that. Otherwise, it gets the quest end description. Or I could actually make it a quest step. I'll try to help. Can you explain the problem again? Yeah, okay. So yeah, let me try to explain it. Sorry. Let's think about it this way, right? There's the start of the quest. There are all the steps in between, and then there's the end of the quest, right? Now I've coded up this system where beginning the quest does not count as like a step, right? Because you haven't started the quest yet, so like beginning the quest, it doesn't make sense for it to count as a step. So that's a totally separate like thing in my quest system. It's just starting the quest. After you start the quest, then we have the quest steps. So there could be, you know, 1 step, there could be 20 steps, whatever. Then we get to the end of the steps. Now my question is, when we finish the last step, should that complete the quest? Or should, when you finish the last step, then you move on to like the finish quest step, which doesn't count as a step. It's just like finishing the quest. Does that make sense? So like the example here that I have right now is like, this quest is really simple. You talk to this guy, you start the quest. The quest step is go catch a fish. You go catch a fish. At that point, you've finished the only quest step. And then to finish the quest, you go talk to him again. But should I mock up the system so that the finishing the quest is actually a step?
I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
Whoa, wait, what the fuck? Justrick with the prime. What is going on? Did I even say your name right? Who is this man? Is this, oh, this is Ricky? The Bezos bugs? Dude, the Bezos bug stuck, man. What's up, dude? Gotta play some TFT. I'll probably play a game tomorrow if you're down. I don't know if you're around. I don't know how busy you are. You're about to play a game? Nice. So now I only do game development streams. That's what I've been doing. So when I'm on stream, I'm just making games. I don't play games anymore on stream. Okay, sorry, wait, I ignored Kumar over on YouTube. But also, like, yeah, I don't know what to do about this quest step shit. Should when you end a quest, should it count as a step? Hey, maybe Ricky will know. Ricky, say you have like a bunch of steps. Do you hear what I was saying? And then like, you finish all the steps in a quest, and now you need to go finish it. If I have like a progress bar here, showing your progress through the quest, should like talking to the NPC at the end to like finish it, should that count as a step? Or should it be like, oh, I've already completed the quest, I gotta just go like turn it in. And so it shows like, oh, it's fully completed. It's a little confusing to me. I would say turn it in, like, so you're like all done with it, right? So like, here's a simple quest. I talk to the guy, I get the quest, right? I go over here, and the quest step is to fish a fish. And it's like, we get the fish, and it's like, oh, one of these days we'll get the fish. And now it's like, oh, we're done with the quest, right? We're done with that quest step. So should it show 1 out of 1, and then I just need to talk to this guy to finish it? Oh, you're here? Yo, how do you say your first name? Or the first part of your name? Adian? Show 11 out of 11 and then check mark when it's finished. Okay, I got you. Yeah, so it's 11/11 and then it like disappears. It's like, oh, done. That makes sense to me. Yeah. Okay, so that means I should go with this other way that I was going to do it. So we basically have to say if so if the current quest step index is greater than the total quest steps, greater than or equal to, else we do this line. Yo, thank you for the follow. What is that? 654. Number 654, dude. That's your magic number. You should make the guy have googly eyes during development. You know what I can do, actually? We can give him sunglasses. It's actually more annoying than I wanted this to be. Alright, how about that? Yo, dude, looking pretty spiff. Followage, 5 years? No way. This kid actually is 5 years. What's up, Emmy? Emmy, how we doing? Emmy's the GOAT, dude. 5 years, 51 days. Beats Colin by, what, about 40 days? 20% of my life you've been following? That's actually kind of sad. Some fucked up way. Wait, make him more like a Master Roshi from Dragon Ball Z? That's what I want to do, yeah. I want to make him like a Master Roshi. But for now, he'll have sunglasses. Emmy, I'm a GOAT. Emmy is the GOAT, dude. No one's coming to stream that has a longer time than Emmy in forever, dude. I don't even know who followed before Emmy, to be honest, anymore. I consider Emmy just the start of my streaming days. Oh yeah, wait, that's true. Master Roshi wears sunglasses, so yeah. Easy. I think they need to be a little wider. There we go. A little better. Alright, yeah, the quest, so yeah, this is a little weird now, which means I think we need like, we need to go back into our quest. Yeah. Quest info. So we have a quest description. I think we need a, quest end description. It's kind of weird. It kind of feels like it should be a quest step, but whatever. I could make it a quest step, but just not display that part of the progress. Shit, it hurts my brain so bad, dude. Whatever, we'll just make quest end description. God, is Unity gonna blow up? I get scared Unity's gonna blow up on me literally every time I compile now. It's a giant ass project. Quest end description. Talk to the wise old man. Let's do talk to the wise old man. Finish. Why am I capitalizing everything? Okay. Let's go back to our mission menu. Okay, so this is gonna equal quest info dot quest end description now. And then we can actually make this way shorter if we do this. Finished quest steps. Make this look a lot better for us so we can understand it better in the future. Okay, quest step label dot text equals. So if that's basically we do, if this is true, then we do this one. Otherwise, we do this giant ass piece of shit code right here. God. Disgusting. Alright, now we can chop all that away. Good. Is there a way to make every quest have X plus 1 steps out of X where the last step is check instead of the number? Well, that's kind of what I'm considering right now. Yeah, I'm like, should I just make the talking to the NPC, like, should I just make that a quest step? with the description and everything? And then should I just show the progress as like, yeah, that -1? That's actually what I'm debating right now, and it's kind of hard. I feel like that might be the better system, to be honest, but this is kind of bothering me because I also, the way I'm doing all this, the way I'm doing all the dialogue is through this program called Ink. So you can like basically code inside of this like text editor, and you can make different paths based on current states in the game. And then I call external functions here within the dialogue to start the quest. A lot of things to consider here. But then I have the quest itself. This actually does not call anything at the moment, so it's actually not finishing the quest. But what I would do is I would do like a, you know, like a finish quest call right here. Or, see, the thing is I could either do a finish quest call here, or I could do a finish next step call right there. And then if you finish the next step and there's no more steps left, then it automatically finishes the quest. I could do that design for the whole quest system. Or I could have an explicit like finish quest function rather than a next step function. It's hard for me to think about the benefits of one versus the other. I kind of think it should just be like just advance the quest step and then just have 2 quest steps. And then it auto finishes if it gets to the end. And then in terms of display progress, I can just show like the total steps -1. Like a better design to me. Actually, I think I have to do it that way. Yep, I have to do it that way. I need to stop doing it this way, but I'm doing it currently. Because what if you don't finish a quest by going through dialogue inside of this? What if you finish a quest by like going to a landmark and it requires no dialogue? Then I have no way of firing. Well, I guess I could do it, but I guess both ways work. So confusing. Feels more natural to just treat it as a quest step, though. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it as a quest step. Fuck it. Which means I can just get rid of this whole deal we just did. It feels weird having a quest end description too. It just feels like, what? Redundant. dialogue quest up. Yeah. Okay, this is it. Alright, let's try this out. Okay, the only thing is it's showing the progress is O of 2. So we can easily switch that, but... Okay, so we should have started. It doesn't display right now, though, I don't think. Oh, right. It shouldn't, because we just started it. We didn't do anything yet. That's correct. Okay. Now it displays 1 out of 2. Does not have a description because we didn't put one, so that makes sense. Yep. Okay. And then this isn't gonna work, but then yeah, let's just make sure. We will say it's gonna be -1. Jesus Christ, dude. We need to make this more readable. It's so bad right now. It's total quest steps. Fucking call, dude. Jesus. Alright. think that should be good. Zero of one. One of one. Should turn green probably. Okay. Let's get rid of quest and description now. We don't need that anymore. Oh, I didn't check one thing, which was the description. Let me make sure that's actually happening. Yeah, there it is. Okay. It's updating it there. Yeah, okay. The other thing is we need to subscribe to our event when a quest step is completed so it auto updates it. Oh, what do I add this to? Oh, I think I just do, okay. Let's call update quest step. So then I think we do game event manager. Quest events dot quest state changed. Sounds right. No, I don't think it's state change. Quest step. Quest state change. Advanced quest? Maybe it's advanced quest. Oh, that's right. I need to do the action. Okay, so that happens. All these things need to update. Oh. Damn, but then I have to get. Ugh. I have to know what the current quest is. Oh, dude. Shit's so annoying. We gotta get the index of the quest and map it onto the ID of the quest. Probably have to create that when I initialize. Yeah, what we need is a quest ID to dictionary. Quest ID. Actually, wasn't too bad. Okay, so now when we advance any quest, we can say int container Dex. We just have to do all this. Don't need to change any of this stuff though. Maybe we need a function called quest step. And we can just basically chunk all this shit in. Alright, mission container. Where's that? Okay. That should work. Let's see if it does it. Okay, so hopefully it's taking the Unity event that we're broadcasting for the quest step change. And then it auto updates for us now because we're subscribed to that event. Alright, so it's a 0 out of 1. Let's fish a fish. Didn't work. Oh. Didn't set the callbacks. So that makes sense. Yes, did it. It auto-updated. Cool. Wise old man to finish. Cool. Okay. So sweet, it does that. Unfortunately, dude, the next thing I need to do is like 10 times harder, so buckle your seatbelts. Here we go. Maybe I should do something else first. Maybe I should do the rewards first. Rewards is also gonna suck pretty bad. Okay, so the rewards, let's do that. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we can give like a gold reward and an experience reward. Uh, so bad. The reward should be a list of items. Ideally. The only problem is gold and XP aren't necessarily items, you know? But maybe what we should do is like have like an experience bag. The only thing that's a little bit of annoying about the experience bag is that that implies that it would be like in your inventory when you finish. But that's not really what I want, right? The other thing is I could just make it look like an item, like I can make like a gold item or like a gems item and a experience item. And then when you collect the rewards, it just checks for those two cases specially, and then it just auto credits. That's probably what I'll do. Because then I can just make the rewards like a list. It can just be a list of items. Make it a base item. Nah. Just make it item data. Rewards. Okay, so now we have our rewards here. We can add, let's say we add a cabbage as our reward. Cabbage and armor. Oh shit. Ugh. Can't do an amount though if I do it this way. Do a dictionary. Int. I think that just might work. We could do cabbage. We could say like, oh, let's get 5 cabbage, and then we could do armor, and we'll add 1 armor. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. Quick break. Okay. Yo, okay. The next part. Okay, this might suck. I need to do a read-only inventory for the rewards. We should already have something in place for this, but I have never done it like read-only, so might have to make some adjustments. But basically, part of the menu missions will be to immediately display the rewards. Oh, that's how you know things are starting to go for the night, dude. I'm spelling initialize. That's pretty sick. Initialize, what did it say? Rewards. Okay. The rewards are part of quest info, I think. Yes, good. That makes it easier. Okay, we're gonna say something like for each. Oh god. There. Key value pair and oh my god, wait. Wait. I just realized something. I don't think when we open the menu, I don't think any quest is selected by default, which we have to have. We have to have one always selected. Yeah, it's not selected, you can see. Okay, so by default, we will just... I should like save this value somewhere, but... Or actually, I don't know, maybe it's good enough per play session. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just keep track of it. Well, by default, we'll just set it to, when it's initialized, we'll just set it to 0. Okay, yeah. So we'll say for each key value pair in quest. Quest container list, the first one, dot quest info, dot rewards. Okay. Oh god. I'm gonna open up our inventory stuff. Base slot containers, what we want. Should probably make a property read only. Okay, yeah. I think I remember trying to set this up correctly before in many missions. There should be like a container down here, reward slot container. That's what we want. So we're gonna have that be the root. Reward slot container, and then we're gonna make it. Oh God. Rows and columns. I guess it should be reversed. Okay, so I guess that we can just check this for now. This should just create 4 empty slots, I think. Be a good stepping stone. And then we're gonna have to add the items to it. And then we're gonna have to make sure it's read only. So you can't actually move things around. Okay, well. Didn't see. We don't see anything. Did I save it? Yeah. Do debug. Rewards count is 2. Oh, I'm being stupid. We didn't add it. What? I thought it just auto added. Uh. Oh yeah, this is biting me super bad. I remember I needed to make this change a while back, and I never did it. Init slots. I'm almost positive we can move this into the base slot container. Let me just check gear container real quick though. Init gear slots, dude. Ugh. Going on down here. Basement. Oh, this is just loading all the items. Okay, so we're not really doing that at the moment. So that is fine. That must be going on here too, yeah. Bit of a different method. Slot asset versus a inventory slots gets added there. So what is the difference between these two? Let's just look at this real quick. These are different, which makes it really annoying. Inventory slot. Yeah, it's also specialized for each of these classes. Jesus. Maybe I should just make a read-only container. Or maybe I don't try to force this. What if I just create a slot, dude, for each one? Fucking do it manually. They're for nothing but show display. So maybe that's the way to do it. Ah, inventory sliding is a parent container. Fuck, dude. So frustrating, man. So frustrating. Mr. Mick, dude, I'm in a rut right now. I'm in a hole. Trying to be clever about things. It's just not working out very well. You know what? Okay, let's try this. Maybe this can work. Back when we had the base slot container, we just do it ourselves. We don't need to do any drag handling. Oh. Mick, dude, what are you working on, dude? Are you doing some game server? So we're adding it, we're creating a slot. We're adding the inventory assets to the slot container, yeah. Okay, let's try that out. About to cut my eyes out. Dude. Have you made any money yet? Can't wait for this to just explode. Oh shit, it did some, it added some things. Just the wrong order. We're getting there. It's a little confusing. So if I add a inventory slot to this, chillin'? Let's add another slot to it. Not chillin'. Okay. So we need to go this way. Good. That must not have saved earlier because I definitely did that. But, okay. We have 2 slots in there for our rewards. Now it's time to add the actual fucking rewards. Sheesh. There's no way this works, right? If I do add item, inventory slot dot add item, slot item data. UP dot value dot key dot Jesus. This is so sketch. Oh my god. It works. Holy shit. God, that felt so sketchy, but actually turned out pretty good. Look, our rewards work. Wow. Dope. Okay, dude. We gotta keep grinding. What's next? What's next? Oh. Well. Wait. Guess we'll see. Almost works. Mission container, step 49. Or line 49. Okay. Okay. I see what's happening. The way then. I have the same problem here, huh? So weird. It's gonna be hacky. Dude, this doesn't feel good at all. I don't think I can do this way. I mean, yeah, it's selected. Oh. Wait. No, yeah, it didn't set everything. Yeah, I needed to set everything. Like, we select that index, but I can't select it because I have a callback that creates a race condition, I think. It's like I could set everything manually to the first index, but that feels awful. I need J-Dog to wake up, man. Where's J-Dog? This is about the hour that I need him. What can we do here? I don't really fully understand what is happening here. You can. I think it's just, yeah, it hasn't been fully initialized yet, but this will be interesting to debug. Let's try it out. I think that's what it's gonna say. Okay, so yeah, we get down here. We get to the tab index, which has actually changed. Oh, interesting. UI game scene is null. I mean, I guess that makes sense. That also hasn't fully finished. You're trying to call something from it. Hasn't fully initialized. Yeah. Alright, we need to rethink this. Okay, so I register these value change callbacks. Actually, I don't think that's what's happening. So when I explicitly call it like this, it's gonna... I think this does anything. Oh no, it does. Okay. So fucking stupid, man. I think I just need to not run this. I wish I could just figure out a better scheme for how to set this all up, but I can't. So I think I'm just gonna have to hack and do an if statement there and just on initialize it doesn't run that, otherwise it does. Any other way to do this? Okay, so in normal circumstances, we click on the UI. That fires this event. Which means we need to set all the other ones off. So then only for the one that we turned on do we run this function mission. So we select the current one. Yeah, that's what should happen. And then what this one does is it loops through all four of them, or all of them. And it calls this function here. So it selects that, it sets that value then. I just wonder, is there a way to do this without doing registered callback? Not really. It's failing at 49 here. Yeah, because then isn't fully initialized, so. Yeah, it sets the value, and then the true value triggers this, and then it runs that if it's true. Yeah, okay. This is all like the quest description shit. Do a manual bypass like this. It's kind of clean. And then, yeah, over in here, we're going to reset this like that. It's so clunky, whatever. I just don't even care anymore. I just want to get through this. This solution works. It'll work. Can't be perfect. Okay, so it has selected it. It has selected all. It's updated all the quest stuff. Yes, it has the rewards. Yes. Okay, great. The only thing is, it is not updating. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, I can't move it. Good. Right. Okay, I think it's, yeah. Initialize rewards. Yo, Tharolf, what's up, bro? I missed you, man. I'm glad someone's out there. I know a lot of people are lurking though. I know there's some lurkers out there, but it's been a little bit since I had human contact. You miss me too? That's good to hear. Glad I haven't scared you off yet. Well, actually some significant progress. It's been a frustrating night, but we're chipping away at it. You know those types of days? It's like you never got stuck. But goddamn, has it been a fucking battle the whole time. We're making progress. But yeah, it's been It's been some just really weird little problems that I didn't foresee, so annoying. But, you know, basically I'm working on getting this whole system in here. For our quests, making it just interact and everything with the game and the quest system. Yeah, have you seen the quest system yet at all, or no? I'm sure you saw like when I was building it a little bit, right? No? Oh shit, okay. Oh shit, well yeah, there's been a lot then. Okay, is this update now? Oh. Line 92 it doesn't like menu missions. Oh. Yeah, actually that makes sense. There's no rewards. We'll put one there for now. Actually, okay, what's a good way to do this? Say there were 0 rewards, like I'm passing in an index here saying from our mission container. Oh no, that must not be the issue. Actually, that's a little confusing. Let's actually dig into this. Last time I was here, we did dialogue plus some saving stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, then we made quite a bit of progress. Let's debug this first, and then I'll show you what we got. Okay, right, yeah, this is fine because there's actually rewards. But what's not fine is we click on this one, there's no rewards. Right? The index is 1, which should be fine. Gets the quest info correctly. The rewards are null. I see, okay. Well, I'm not sure what the best design solution is for that, but for now, we can just ignore it and say rewards are initialized. Imagine completing a deadly fishing quest only to be awarded a null reference exception. Amazing, dude. Just prints out null ref. Alright, what's it gonna say now? Hey, okay. Except it didn't update our rewards. Okay, we'll get to that in a sec. Let me show you the game. Yeah, so okay, extremely important. We added sunglasses to this guy for now. Per chatter request. Okay, yeah, so basically we have these like exclamation points that show up if there's an available quest. So then we can go talk to this guy. Old man. Why does it just say old man right here? I actually didn't even realize that. It should say wise old man. Yeah, so we got the dialogue going. Okay, so then on the last step of the dialogue, it like initializes the quest, you can see. We're like, okay. So then this quest that I'm making right now is the test quest, is to fish a fish. So we go over here, we fish. Okay, we got the... Uh-oh. Okay, we caught a fish. Oh, it's added our rewards twice now. Cool. Does it do it again? Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, awesome. Okay, so you can see this is the current quest that we have getting started. So, you know, depending on which one we choose, it shows the title up here, the location, the description, and then this is the current step that we're on. So there's like quest steps. So we're on the last step right now. And down here it says progress 1 out of 1. So, you know, we finished the only quest step, which was the catch a fish. And now we just need to finish it. So then it tells us where to finish it. I have a little navigation icon here. It doesn't do anything yet, but it will. Then it displays our rewards. So this is the part that I haven't got to yet, but yeah, then, you know, we would talk to him and he says, wow, nice catch, and then we finish the quest. Haven't got there yet, but yeah, the quest system is working for the most part. We still have pick up wise old man, yeah. Tech support, I'm gonna leave that in as an Easter egg for tech support. It's never gonna go away. So I'll show you a little bit about how this all works. Basically, made this giant ass quest system in the scripts. But yeah, there's like a quest. There's a bunch of different things, right? Quest data, quest icon, quest info, quest manager, quest point. So yeah, basically what we do is we make a quest point, which is a prefab. It can be a start point, a finish point, or a next step point. It has a quest scriptable object attached to it. And then there's also this like list called NPCs and quests. I'll get to that in a sec, why that's important, but that's actually really important. So then, yeah, we can look in our quest scriptable object, and you know, this just kind of has all the standard information. Description and all that, location. There's a requirements section, so like if there were to be a, like let's do like a level 2 requirement right now, which I don't have. I'm level 1. So if I do that, you'll notice that it's gray. This icon's gray. It means we can't start. So we have logic for like quest prerequisites built in. Switch it back to 0, and now we can start the quest. Cool. Okay. So then, the way I'm gonna change this a little bit, but the way I'm currently doing this is each quest step is like a prefab, and you just like add them to this list. And then there's the rewards, which is just a dictionary of items and values. But yeah, so basically it's kind of interesting to watch, but I'll do it with the inspector open. So in our quest manager down here, like there's nothing here right now, but if we go over here and we start, so the quest manager has now added a quest step that we need to complete. And so we can add as many quest steps as we want and, you know, finish whichever one we want in whatever order. But yeah, then we can go to this prefab and it's like, oh, catch a fish. Fish collected is 0 out of 1. So there's like a little counter going on in the quest step that counts how many of like a quantity you've accumulated. So then, you know, we go over here and we catch a fish. And when we catch it, if it's a completed step, it destroys the prefab. And then it gets the next one in the list and it instantiates it. So now we have our next quest step live. This quest step is to just go talk to an NPC. So then we go talk to the NPC. But yeah, that's basically how it works. It's fucking bitch to put together, dude. That was my whole weekend and more. So there's definitely some fine tuning to be done, but then I thought, you know, we got to a point where I was like ready to move on to the UI. The other thing that's really cool though is have I talked about Inky with you at all yet? Actually, yeah, I must have, because we were doing the dialogue before, right? So I got a really fucking sick scheme going, Inky. So check this shit out. This took me a really long time, really hard thinking, and maybe just pure luck stumbling into this scheme, but I really like it. So essentially, there are 3 main files right now in my Inky project. There's a globals file, which keeps track of the state of every quest, and C# just updates that. Like it just auto updates the Inky file. It's just kind of like persistent data. You can think of it. It's pretty easy. But you just set like, you know, a quest state in Inky to whatever quest state you're in C#. Then what I'm gonna do is have an Inky story for every single NPC. So right, I have my wise old man. I attach the story for him. So whenever you go and you interact with any NPC in the world, what it's going to do is it's going to pull up their Inky story. Now, what this is doing is before it does anything, this is basically like an if statement, or it's like a case statement. So it looks at different global variable states for the quest. What I'm doing right now is -2 is complete, -1 is not started, and then greater than 0 means it's in progress. So basically, if it's complete, then we just divert to here, and we just run this line. If it's not started, then we divert to this, which is like, oh, do this line if you want to like start up the quest, right? And then if the quest is in progress, then we divert to set quest state. Now, this is where it gets really cool. I made an Inky story for every quest. So now Ink diverts into this quest story. And the quest story is aware of what state it's in. And it sets the current dialogue to whatever state for this NPC based on the quest state. So you guys saw earlier, it said, wow, nice catch. That's because we were on state 1 of the story, and the NPC diverted into the quest because it knew it was starting in a quest, and then it diverted to this line because it knows what part of the quest it's at. And what's cool is in the quest story, you can have multiple NPCs, right? Because all the NPCs are feeding into the quest file. And so whenever you interact with an NPC, if that NPC is involved in the quest, it diverts to that line whenever you interact with them automatically. It's really fucking cool. I hope I explained that well, but it's really cool. Looks a lot less ad hoc than the approach we came up, dude. The approach we came up with was so sketchy. That was iteration 1. This took many iterations of trying to think, how does a quest system work? But yeah, it's really cool. I really like how it's broken up like this. Makes it easy to think about. And what's cool about this is like, say we had like 2 quests going, you know, like say this NPC is involved in like 2 quests, then we could do like getting started, you know, state greater than or equal to 0, and quest 2 state greater than or equal to 0. And then we could handle that separately, you know. So we can handle multiple quests pretty easily. But yeah, Jesus, man. What a trip it's been figuring all this stuff out. Where was I? Oh yeah, rewards. We have problems with our rewards. Okay, so whenever the rewards... Oh, fuck, man. Reward slot container. Clear that. Is that all I need to do? I think. Okay, no rewards, yay. And it works. Cool. Holy shit, boys. Oh my god. This has been a time and a half getting all this shit to work. Bro, you know what I need to do too is I need to get this shit working up here. These tabs. I don't even want to think about this yet though. Oh, there's so much more to do with the quests. These are gonna be like daily like quests, daily missions, objectives, something else, whatever else. Completed, I don't know. So something that is really annoying about UI Toolkit that you'll notice here is if this one is highlighted right now, it appears underneath this one, and I don't know of a good way to make it appear above it. Besides changing the order of the children, but then that changes the order, you know, that they're displayed in, so I can't do that. I might do a quick search to see if there's a way. Render order of visual elements in UI Toolkit. Sort order. Bring to front. It's so frustrating. You're calling in sick at work. The problem is I want to change the the Z order or the sort order of UI elements without changing their position, and I don't think it's possible because fucking UI Toolkit sucks balls. Z index support. As I'm happy that I'm using an old uni version, dude. Thing is, I don't even have to use this in this Unity version. I just used it because now I'm just too deep. I mean, I'll keep using UI Toolkit just because I know so much about it at this point, but like, it really is so frustrating to use. There's a really a core set of features that needs to exist, and it just doesn't. How? Like, that's crazy. That's so crazy. Like, okay, can we think of a different way to do this then? I don't want this to be hiding behind this one, right? They're overlapping a little bit. Like obviously I could manually rig it up, but like I don't want to do that, man. Let's see what this does. Oh wait. Ugh. Mission container list. Oh, that's the mission containers. Missions group box. Nah, this isn't gonna work. Why bother? If we could try this. I don't know what bring to front actually is gonna do though. I think it's just gonna reorder it. Yeah, it just reorders it. So dumb. Oh yeah, I did add the chat window. Do you have any feedback on it though? Like I feel like it's just kind of sitting there. I don't know if there's a better way to display it. Sometimes it's like you can't even see it's there. Alright, what's a way to do this, man? Maybe the way to do this is to have two either. I was gonna say no borders and then add the border in UI Toolkit, but that'll still have the same problem. It does display messages from YouTube, yeah. Yeah, it gets all messages. I guess mainly just on the like the display style. Like, is it okay just like text like that, or like should it be wider? Should there be a background to it? Like I was thinking of having like a slight transparent black background on it, but I don't know. That's just more even more distracting. Let me see something. Right. This was in 20. This is in 2020. Let's ask fine, maybe. I might even go into the docs, dude. See order. Right, toolkit. So order. I don't even fucking understand. I mean, yeah, I could use absolute. But it's so annoying. Then I have to like manually change the size, position of them. Like, dude, that'd be so terrible. You don't mind it being simple? Alright, well, if you don't mind, I'll keep it like that. Manage to get the day off? Nice. Benefit of hitting my head? Wait, you hit your head? What happened? What you can do is spawn a new element that sits on top of the entire menu. Yeah, I'm using a flex layout. Jesus. I barely had solo crash on my bike. Oh shit. Damn, nice. Were you out road biking or was it like mountain biking? As of May 2022, they still do not have it. Is this crucial feature ever gonna get support? Dude. May 2nd, 2023. Okay. May 31st, 2023. We're currently reviewing our plans and updating our roadmap, and Z-Index will be part of our next release cycle. Yeah, this is exactly why you need it. Case for me is I have a list of items in a custom item hover pseudo state enlarges the scale. So as soon as you enlarge the scale, it's going to be over multiple UI elements. On either end of it, there will always be one that's below or above it in terms of the child hierarchy if you use a flexbox. Alright, well, I just spent about, what, 20 minutes fucking reading that? Holy shit. Oh, yo, what's up? Devil's Scythe Gaming? Did I say that right? Devil's Scythe Gaming? What's up, dude? Over on YouTube? How you doing, dude? Love you, bro, from India. Get a lot of people from India this time. You guys must be waking up, drinking your coffee, getting going on the day. Actually, it's kind of late, right? Isn't it like, it's like almost afternoon now. It's amazing what modern technology can do. I know we can all chat in one place. Up on my stream now. Wow, I'm just so amazed. I mean, okay. It sounds like there's one main way to do this. To bypass the z-index shit, which is a ghost icon. But it's honestly kind of a pain. Because you need to create a whole fucking ghost icon. And then you need to position it where it is currently. Like, dude, I don't want to have to do that, dude. So, to be honest with you, I think I am going to not worry about this right now. We'll worry about this later. We will just, oh god. Yeah, I don't know what that does, but that's not what we want. I suppose, like, yeah. Worst case scenario, we can either make a ghost icon or absolute positioning and manually lay them out. Doesn't seem worth fixing right now. We could also just not have them overlap at all, just have like a slight gap for each one between them instead of having this like outline on them. But I kind of like the outline. Anyways, I think like the last thing we need to do here for now is get this thing lit up when we have a quest going. So let's do that real quick. So I think all we're gonna have to do is switch out that switch this out for a different icon. Oh man, how am I gonna get this icon? Shit, I didn't think about this. I suppose I could just pass it into like the UI manager. Doesn't feel great. There's this thing called like the asset database. Does this like actually work for anything in the project? And does this also work in builds? That's what I'm worried about. Oh god. I joined a game jam and proceeded to get bored of game dev in 1 hour. Oh, dude. Over half of a lot of time wasted. I'm now actually developing on my game jam game. Okay, okay. So you're getting into it. Are you doing it in Unity? It's in Unity editor, so it doesn't work in both games. Okay, okay, okay. That was what I thought. Has to be resources, right? I mean, I could also just like... Did I ever do this? I think I like... Wait, let me look at my UI game manager. No, these are all just those assets. I'm not gonna get 200,000 installs anyway. Yeah, yeah. Nah. People who, I honestly think people who are, like, panic switching, like, are stupid. Especially people, like, indie devs who, like, don't actually make a lot of money. Or any money at all. I think I'm at the point where, like, if I'm forced off of Unity, like, I probably will just quit game dev because I don't want to have to learn a new engine, man. It sounds miserable. To get to the point where I'm at with Unity, it sounds miserable. I don't want to do that shit. And I also don't want to program in not C sharp. I think here. So the first quest step is actually not completed until after we've actually started the quest. So we need to subscribe up here. Let's make a function called started quest. Let's say game events manager dot instance dot quest events dot on start quest. You like this, Thorolf, the way I have these game events manager for the quest stuff? I felt like this was a really nice way of doing it, just because like quests like triggers so many fucking things in the game all the time, like depending on start it, end it, continue it. I thought event driven would be really nice. You're using actions for event? Yeah. Why not? You say that like you're scaring me. Isn't that the Unity way? Start quest. The Unity action. I think. Let me double check that. I guess they're just... Okay, I guess they're C# actions. I thought I did. I thought I did Unity actions, but I guess I did C# actions. Yeah. I don't know. Let's do public events, event hand. Oh, you do it like that. Okay. I see. Yeah, I don't know. I guess either way works. Like whatever. The delegate. Yeah. There you go. For once in my life, I actually taught you something. No way. That's like 1 to 100 now. Alright, where are we at? Start a quest. Good. Okay, so when we start the quest, we're gonna do this. I don't even know. Quest start. Start. I don't know what I called it. Of course. Ah, mission container. No, not that mission container. This mission container. What's this guy called? Quest status icon. Okay. Quest status icon, huh? What a name. And I don't. Oh yeah, that's because it's inside of mission container. That's why. Okay. Shit. Yeah, I did this in the wrong spot. Wait. I think this is good. God, what did I just do there? Wait. Oh, I don't understand that. How do I unregister? Whoops. Is it unregister? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Okay, so then when this start, okay, so then we do quest status icon. We have to swap out this shit. But yeah, event driven's off. Dude, I'm loving the event driven shit for, I think basically anytime like you have one big system that can interact with multiple other systems, like, dude, go event driven. So nice. I have to swap out this style.unity background Okay, Unity. Background image? Okay. Okay, have we done this anywhere else in the project yet? I can't remember. Oh, we did. BG texture. So, yeah, where am I getting these guys? Where am I getting these textures? Ghost icon. Ugh. What? Oh. Fish. Ah. I get it through the scriptable object. That's how I did it before. Or I get it through the item. So this is a little different because I need to get it explicitly from the project. What do you think, Throlf? I'm gonna go to the bathroom, but where do you think I store this kind of stuff? Should I just make like a scriptable object that's just like static data for like UI textures? I don't know. Or what? I need to store this texture. Here, I'll find it. It's just I have like all my textures in Art UI because I don't usually like have to load it at runtime. So I need some way to pass this into this UI builder shit. Normally I would just put it into the the mono behavior game object, but because it's UI toolkit, it fucking sucks and you can't really do that easily. Maybe I'll just on the UI game manager, I'll make a section here. For textures. Feels a little unorganized, but I don't think I'm gonna have to do this too many times, so it's probably okay. We're gonna call this what? Quest icon. Dark. Well, you don't need to have experience with UI Toolkit here because there's nothing that you can do with UI Toolkit. You just have to put it somewhere else. So just kind of wondering where to put it. I'm going to put it on my UI game manager. That's what I'm going to do. Pretty stupid, I know. But technically it does house the mission containers, so I guess it's not the worst place. Quest status. Oh yeah, maybe we should rename this quest status icon. Quest status. Make a server and load it dynamically with HTTP call. Fucking psycho, dude. Imagine. Alrighty. Alright, that's pretty dumb. But hey, we did it. It's done. Now we don't have to think about it. Quest status icon. Style.background image equals UI game manager instance dot quest status icon light. There's no like unstarted quests, so I don't think we ever have to change it back. It's either on or it's off. Wow, we're closing in here, dude. We're on the home stretch with this UI. It's been so gnarly. Alright, ready? We're gonna go start a quest. Alright, we started the quest. Why did it light both of them up? Oh, because yeah, we added it for each one. Quest info, yeah, there's quest info for this, for each one of these. We can use that. If quest info dot quest ID equals quest ID. Then we do that. What? Why don't you like that? Oh. 2 equals. There we go. Alright. Maybe this is it here. Maybe we're done. Alright, ready? Start up a quest. Hey! Catch a fish. Alright, let's go catch a fish. Talk to the wise old man to finish. Alright. We have to work on that part. That part of the quest is broken. But yeah, progress shows, steps show, description shows, everything shows, rewards. These aren't working yet, but we're going to implement that stuff later. Okay. I think I'm pretty happy. The next thing is not even worth attempting right now. I know what the next thing is, and it's going to suck. It's going to be terrible. It's going to be so bad. Thorolf, do you use the Odin Inspector or no? You don't. So let me just talk through this next thing I need to do, which I'm not doing tonight, but there's basically there's one issue with how I've done all this that I need to fix. I'm very much a hobbyist. I haven't been serious about Gamedev. Yeah, that's fair, that's fair. I'm like slightly more serious than a hobbyist, I feel like, but I definitely don't consider myself like a professional game dev in any way. But I did get the Odin Inspector kind of recently, and it's pretty sick. The fact that you can just like make dictionaries like out of the box like this in the inspector is pretty nice. Some other really cool things. But okay, anyways. Right now, when I make a quest, I attach these prefabs. And if you'll notice, this collect fish quest step has a set number of fish to be collected. The problem with this, which is terrible, is if I now want to collect 2 fish, I would need to create a whole nother prefab. 3 fish, I would have to create a whole nother prefab and do 3 fish. And that is just really stupid. So what I need to do is, instead of adding prefabs to the quest steps, I need to have something a little more modular in here. Collect fish quest step factory. Yes, kind of, yeah. Wait. I recognize those terms. That's not possible to do in the inspector. What is a factory again? Prefab factory. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be in the inspector, but it would be nice. But if I could just if I could set a value in the inspector that like cause the factory to like behave in some predictable way, then that could also work. Should I ask, I'm terrible. I'm so lazy now. Factory is a pattern for creating objects, but it's not too applicable. Oh, I see, okay. I wasn't sure how serious you were. I mean, I think what I'm talking about is basically making a prefab factory, but I want it to be able to be done in the inspector, you know? Alright, that's just taking absolutely forever. What I kind of need here though is like I need like a prefab that's like the quest, like say it's a collect fish quest step, right? But that's just like a general like C# class. And then what I need is based on that class, I need some other items to pop up that you can fill out in here. Honestly, I would probably do something, consider having all quest steps instantiated and using events to enable and disable them. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little too far outside the design pattern I have. Let's just take a look in here though. I kind of forget what we can do with. I think this actually might not be too bad. I think generics. I think I want to use generics. I did this before a little bit. Where did I do this before? It was when I created items. Wait, check this out. Check this out. No, that's an actual. I want scriptable object item. Right, so I did this before. Yeah, oh, wait, I've done this. Item stat list. So I was adding arbitrary stats to an item. Yep. Yep, I already did this. I'm literally gonna do this exactly. So I just have like a general like fishing bonus prefab. And then the fishing bonus. Where is it? Oh. Maybe I need to change something. Value. Whoa, what is this? This was pretty involved, but I think it's worth it. So I made an iGeneric item stat, which I made a list of. Yeah, okay. That's how I did it. So you basically, I made an interface that has like a get value, which is an object. And then, oh yeah, and then I just basically derived different types of classes from there. Yeah, it's pretty. So when I add one, I see. You get to choose which type you're adding. Yeah. And this could just be like the quest type, right? Or the quest step type. Quest step type could be collect fish. It could be collect fish list. I don't know. It could be collect or talk to NPC. And you can just add them like this. Odin Inspector kind of fired. I know. It's pretty nuts. I had to get it. I didn't buy any assets on the Unity asset store for like years. And then this year I finally just was like, yo, what is like 50, 60 bucks if I've been doing game dev this long? And I bought the Odin Inspector and I bought Easy Save 3, and besides Easy Save 3 giving me an absolute headache for about a week, both purchases were extremely worth it. Odin Inspector is just fucking works too. It's really nice. Super easy to use. Okay, well, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'll figure it out. Alright, I need to go to bed. I'm really tired. The Rolf, thanks for chilling. Everyone else out there, thanks for lurking. I will see y'all probably Wednesday night, maybe Thursday, we'll see. See what I'm feeling. I need to work on some YouTube videos, and gotta get the part 4 out for open world. I've been promising people. Over promising, dude. Alright, y'all.